Hey guys, I hope you enjoy this room transformation. The majority of this video is just going to be a time lapse, but I'm basically just going to show you guys how I transformed this boys room that was a hoarder's room into this beautiful girly room. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I also just want to give a little shout out to the few people that helped me. My aunt and my cousin helped build some of the furniture when I was at work, and then I'd come home and I'd help them and I'd finish it. But yeah, so we ended up doing painting, building, buying a whole bunch of new stuff. Keep in mind, we are in the middle of a pandemic. It's like 100 degrees outside, wearing a mask, running back and forth. We just transformed it. All right, so let's get on to the video.
Now this is all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Waiting in line. Here, thank you.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground of Harrison, most of my days, building out bikes and
so I didn't realize that all of these furnitures would come in like 20 different packaging when I drive a small car, so literally after 20 years, we put my seats down and we made it fit, so yeah. So we just came back from Ikea. We went to 2 different locations. We ended up going to Walmart, Ikea, getting all that stuff, painting stuff, and now let's begin. This room was just very messy and just needed to be cleaned out and emptied. There's a lot of papers, a lot of just stuff, and in the next clip I show you how we like clean it up and take it out. So we officially just moved all the big stuff out of this room, the desk, whatever. This has to go in the garbage. This has to go somewhere, I don't know. It's basically empty. So we're going to do some cleaning after it's cleaned. Smooth everything out. Now we basically have an empty room. Very dusty, very dirty, but I'm about to broom it, so I'll be back. Just so you guys know, put it on a water bottle because it's easier to like twist. Put tape on here because the previous person that was in here got tape on the wall already, on the closet.
just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground of Harrison, for the days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all doing all shooting some ball outside of the school, when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I picked and made it with a honey the day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way. She gave me a kiss and then she gave me my ticket. I put my Walkman, I promised her I was gonna get it. First class, this is bad. Drinking on shoes, out of a champagne glass. Is this what the people have been away with? Like, this is what you be alright. Wait, I hit the first who was lying all way. They said this cool cat. I don't think so. I see when I get there. I hope you're prepared for the Prince of Bel Air. Prince of Bel Air. Prince of Bel Air. Prince of Bel Air.
Also, we got the carpet, the new carpet, but they sent the wrong color, so I had to send it back. Now I'm waiting for the new one. We're gonna put these two command hooks on the top of the closet because I don't like how the closet looks and I can't really paint that. Got a gray one and then the thing. Okay, so this is where I realized the curtain I got was way too thin and defeated the purpose of even having a curtain. It just looked terrible and was no point. The idea was there, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. I might just put it on this one. So I'm just gonna get new curtains for this one that are darker, and I'm gonna see how this one looks on the window. If anything, I'll just get two of the same darker ones so it doesn't look tacky and weird. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little haul of what I got for the bed. The theme of this room is gonna be gray and white, pretty much. So I found these pillows at Marshall's. They're so fuzzy and cute. It was 2 for $19.99. Yeah. These. And I got normal everyday pillows just to put on the bed. I got a gray throw blanket to match the pillows and the aesthetic of the room. And then I went to, okay, let me tell you a little story about this. I went to look for covers everywhere. Target, Marshalls, Walmart, anywhere that you could think of, and they were just sold out. I guess everybody's redoing their room. But I found this one hiding. And I think this was $49.97 at Walmart. And it comes with 3 throw pillows, the sheets to base down, a comforter, and pillowcases, so I don't think that was bad. That's pretty much all I got for this bed. It's 12 o'clock and I decided to build the last thing for this room. Just a little update, we're on like day 4 or 5. I just finished building the side table that matches the dresser. And then the mattress for the bed just came in, so I'm about to open that. a bigger struggle than I thought. But got a matches. Show you guys the math. Aftermath of building that little side table, taking out the mattress. Alright, I had to turn up the air so y'all could hear me. It's like 100 degrees today. Carpet came in today. It's supposed to be a darker gray, but like it is what it is. Today I plan on finishing the room. Oh my god, look at these bags, they look terrible. I plan on finishing the room. I'm about to move the furniture so I can put the carpet down and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So somehow the next clip cut off, so in the meantime I just showed you guys what I got and an update on the carpet. Some of the stuff you saw in the haul in a clip before, but I just reiterate and show you some of the new stuff. Great throw pillows, great throw blanket, great hangers from Walmart, great curtains, just normal pillows and this extra stuff.
Between us, just like big fences. You got issues now, mention them now, 'cause we're falling apart. Fishing from miles away, passive in the future state. Passing upon my way,
I know you guys can see a little bit of the old carpet peeking through. I couldn't end up finding a big enough carpet to place down, so I just hide it with another small carpet and ended up working out.
I think we should roll up, maybe now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to believe it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. Fishing from miles away, passive in the future state. Passing upon my way, let me go. Seeing you got materialistic plans and nights on all of the things shit now, falling apart, between us just like big fences. You got issues now, mention them now, 'cause we're falling apart. Fishing from miles away, passive in the future state. Passing upon my way, let me go.
that's in this room transformation will be linked down below with the prices and all that, whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. I also just want to throw in there that there is a few more things that I want to do to this room, like add pictures on the walls, but if I wait for like every single detail, this video will never go up. So yeah, just keep in mind, maybe later on I'll do a room tour. If you guys want to see that, just comment and let me know. But yeah.